it's really useful to know in which situations what recipes to choose. We are kicking off with landscapes.
So the first one here is for vibrant colors. It's called Velvia V2 or version 2, and it's compatible with X-Trans 4 cameras intended for the XT3 and XT30. You can use it on X-Trans 3 if you disregard the color chrome effect, but it'll look slightly different. If you have a newer X-Trans 4 camera, you just have to decide, do you want grain to be small or large? I would recommend small, but feel free to try large anyway. If you have an X-Trans 3 camera, you can't use color chrome effect because your camera doesn't have it. Feel free to try it anyway. It'll be a little bit different in how it renders it. But this is a recipe that if the scene has vibrant colors and you just want those colors to pop, you just want a very colorful picture, like this is a really good recipe for that. So if you're photographing a sunset, if you're photographing just something that's really colorful, this is a recipe that I would recommend trying. Velvia V2.
But this is not the only one. We've got another recipe that we can use when we have a sunny day.
Yeah, this is just, this isn't for necessarily like really vibrant colors. This is, you're out photographing and it's just, a sunny, beautiful sunny day. And it does produce vibrant colors, but not like Velvia V2. But it has a kind of a warmer look to it, and it's Kodak Vision 3 250D. And I mentioned that earlier that you can use this for the GFX, and I did, and it looked great. But this is a favorite recipe of mine. I love using it on sunny days, and so if you're looking for something different, and the sun is shining brightly, this is a good one to try.
Yes, I absolutely love the look of it. I will definitely give that a go. But if you are going into winter and there's not a lot of sunshine, fear not, we have you covered because we also have a recipe for cloudy days.
The one on the right probably actually more closely mimics real Fujicolor Superior film. The one on the left, the one we're talking about, doesn't quite match it as closely because Classic Negative wasn't around then. But for me, this is a personal favorite when it's cloudy outside. This is the one that I go for and I shoot with when it's overcast. So I invite you to try it in those scenarios as well. When it's a gloomy day, try the X-Trans 3 Fujicolor Superior 800 if you have an X-Trans 3 or X-Trans 4 camera.
Yeah, awesome. And what's really nice is you just need to think coffee and you're in the right
recipe. Yeah, that coffee was very good.
The sample images are so helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Keep well, stay safe, happy shooting, and we look forward to connecting with you then.